Hello guys, in this video we are going to discuss COP, EER and SEER. While learning thermodynamics, we come across power absorbing and power producing devices. An engine is power producing device which generates mechanical power. A heat pump is a power absorbing device which absorbs mechanical power and it transfers heat from low temperature to high temperature. When it comes to refrigerator, it is also power absorbing device which transfers heat from low temperature evaporator to high temperature condenser which is outside. The important difference between a heat pump and refrigerator is the output in heat pump is at condenser and in refrigerator the output is at evaporator and we get heat removed from the space. Both these things require external energy to do that. To measure the performance of power producing device, we calculate efficiency. Whereas in case of power absorbing device like refrigerator, we calculate COP. Yes, coefficient of performance. Let's see what is COP exactly. We can quote the definition of COP as the ratio of heat removed or extracted in evaporator to the energy input to the refrigerator. Mathematically, COP is heat removed divided by energy input. In case of vapor compression system, COP can be heat removed in evaporator divided by work of compression because input is given to compressor. Coefficient of performance is reciprocal of efficiency of engine. Efficiency is always less than 1. Hence, COP is greater than 1. COP depends upon the temperature of system and sink, or in other words, it depends upon temperature of evaporator and condenser. Let's discuss an example to have better clarification. Here is a refrigerator which absorbs electric energy from mains. A motor converts this electric energy into mechanical energy, that is torque or rotation of shaft. This mechanical energy is used to drive the compressor. Let's consider a work input of 100 kJ per second of energy input is given to compressor and the refrigerator absorbs 200 kJ per second of heat from evaporator. Then the COP of refrigerator will be heat removed by energy input which is 200 kJ per second divided by 100 kJ per second, that is 2. COP is unitless quantity. Sometimes if the refrigerator absorbs more energy and produces less than expected refrigeration effect, the COP can fall below unity. For example, in case of vapor absorption refrigeration systems, the COP is less than 1. Now let's see what is energy efficiency ratio. Before that, let's understand the COP of refrigerator is not practical measure for comparing the performance of any refrigeration unit. COP depends on temperature of system and surrounding, and hence to compare two refrigeration units, this temperature has to be fixed. That is exactly what is done in EER. EER is itself a COP with fixed inside and outside temperatures and humidity. Hence, one can quote EER as it is ratio of heat extracted from system at 80 degree Fahrenheit and 50% relative humidity to the work input at 95 degree Fahrenheit of outside temperature. In practice, EER is measured as BTU per watt hour. Both these units are of energy, but they use this term for better understanding in HVAC industry. While going for evaluating more accurate performance of refrigerator or AC unit, seasonal energy efficiency ratio is used. In practice, the inside temperature of refrigerator is almost same over a period of time, but the outside temperature varies over years weather condition at a given location. Hence, SEER is calculated by taking outside temperature from 65 degree Fahrenheit to 104 degree Fahrenheit. Hence, SEER is EER at different outside temperatures. SEER gives more precise value for performance measurement of a refrigerating unit. A SEER is generally from 13 to 24 BTU per watt hour. Let us see one example of a refrigerator having 16 SEER and another having 18 SEER. Refrigerator 2 gives 2 BTU of more refrigeration effect per unit of electricity consumption. If both refrigerators are of 1 TR capacity, then for refrigerator R1, the electricity consumption in watt hour will be 12,000 divided by 16, which is 750 watt hour, while for refrigerator R2, the electricity consumption in watt hour will be 12,000 divided by 18, which is 666 watt hour. So for every ton of refrigerating effect, refrigerator R2 will save 84 watt hour of electricity. So this is about COP, EER and SEER. Hope you understand this. In case of difficulty, do comment below. Thanks for watching.